Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, I've been saying, I think this is potentially a WXY pattern that we're looking at, which means that this is likely an A, this is probably a B, and I think we're in an uptrend on the daily for a wave C of wave Y, which should at least go up and take out this high, and possibly even could make a run for the high of wave 4 back there. So definitely still very bullish on the US dollar Swiss. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if you've been following along with my videos over the last week or so, you know I've been recommending longs. This is the breaker structure that I think will help confirm that this is really the bottom of a wave B on the daily. You know, after it breaks structure, it's probably going to make another pullback. So if it does and when it does break structure, I definitely will continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. There was a very, very nice expanding ABC correction right there yesterday. And even back here last week, there was a very, very nice, traditional ABC right there. So definitely looking for these three-way pullbacks for more entries to go long. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.